Have you ever wondered why some plants bloom like fireworks while others stay silent? Sometimes nature hides the smallest secret in the most ordinary place. Your kitchen today will unlock that secret. And just one tiny ingredient can awaken your indoor flowers to bloom brighter and longer than ever before. Welcome, everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to prepare a powerful top dressing using baking soda, perfect during budding and flowering season. This simple treatment improves plant metabolism, boosts chlorophyll levels, enhances oxygen and calcium supply to the roots, and triggers more abundant flowering. But when plants lack this support, danger appears. Stems become weak and brittle. Upper shoots fade and stop growing. Brown spots show up on the leaves. If you see these signs, it's time to act. Here's how to make the tonic. Take baking soda from your kitchen. It dissolves best in warm water, not cold. In 1 liter of warm water, add just a pinch or 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well. Now spray it gently on the leaves in the evening. Never spray in direct sunlight. It may burn the leaves, and if your plant is blooming, avoid spraying directly on the buds. Focus only on the leaves. Repeat this treatment once every 30 days for steady growth and longer flowering. Your indoor plants will thank you silently, but their bright blossoms will say everything. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next garden secret.